Great! I found some bullet casings. Look! 7.65 caliber. I found them.
Let me see. So, Dr. Hartman was killed by Mr. Peterson's gun.
Otto, I want to tell you something.
Yes, Anna?
When I arrived here to meet Dr. Hartman, he was already dead. And Walter was here before me. He was standing over the corpse with a gun.
Did he explain why he was there?
He told me he received a message from Dr. Hartman.
Do you think, Walter?
His behavior is suspicious.
You might be right. We must be careful with him.
What you're saying, Professor Clark, is very interesting. But from a Christian point of view, it does not make sense.
It does, and I'll tell you why. You see, we need to embrace science and be more open-minded. Ancient Indian manuscripts clearly state it is possible to create soma. All we need to do is formulate the ingredients correctly.
Professor, imagine for a moment the recipe actually works. What if it gets into the hands of opportunistic or evil-minded people? What happens then?
A very good question, Father. I know a number of high-ranking officials in Germany have also sponsored expeditions to find the formula for soma in Tibet.
How do you know this?
I have been advised through several channels. So, what do you think?
I can say that the German Nazi Party is controversial, to say the least.
Sorry to interrupt, gentlemen, but I have also heard the Nazi Party has been looking into Eastern and Western occult practices. I would be very careful if I were you, Professor.
I agree. The Nazi Party does not play around.
By the way, I have not seen Claudia, Walter, or Giovanni in a while. I hope they're all right.
Help! Oh my God! Claudia! Claudia, what happened?
Someone attacked me!
Walter, what are you doing here?
I was going downstairs for dinner and heard Claudia scream, so I got here as quickly as I could.
Thank you, Walter, for helping my... Claudia, are you all right?
Yes, Mr. Peterson. Just a little dizzy.
Claudia, did you see who attacked you?
No. Oh, I'm so scared.
Don't worry, Claudia. We will find out who did this to you.
Walter, did you see anyone leaving Claudia's room?
No, I didn't, which is strange.
It is. Especially since you were the first on the scene.
Otto, please.
Apologies.
We need to search the room. Maybe we will find something interesting. Claudia, do you mind?
Of course not.
Great! I found a medicine chest. I should place that medicine chest on the couch and look inside. Looks like the syringe I found in Dr. Hartman's room is from this chest. I need to get everything in order and see if the syringe fits. It fits perfectly. Claudia?
Yes, Anna?
When I searched Dr. Hartman's room, I found a syringe, and it fits perfectly into your medical chest. Does anyone else have access to the chest?
I'm not sure, but I think someone was in my room yesterday, while I was out on a walk.
Do you know who it was?
No, but I think it was Dr. Hartman.
Thank you, Claudia. This doesn't make any sense. Dr. Hartman in a wheelchair on the second floor.
Anna, could you please come to reception? I want to show you something. I examined the bullet casings you found in the backyard. Something does not add up.
What do you mean?
They seem very light for their caliber.
And what does that mean?
It means they were custom-made. Therefore, they were probably fired from a custom-made gun.
Are you sure?
You can use my weighing scale and see for yourself.